Good morning, amigos. Dr. Doug here at BodyTrust.com. I found an interesting article this morning. Let me read the headline. Minimally invasive uterine fibroid treatment, safer and as effective as surgical intervention. So they found actually it's been around for 30 years, but nobody knows about it because, well, probably because it's a lot cheaper than surgery, which is very expensive, so it doesn't make a whole lot of money, but it is a way. It's called uterine fibroid embolization. Is a durable treatment that results in fewer complications. This is from the Society of Interventional Radiology in Science Daily. Uterine fibroid is, by the way, a tumor. It's a benign tumor. It's not going to spread. Not dangerous, but can obstruct blood flow and cause excessive bleeding. It can also get fairly large and be obstructive and painful. And it's estimated that over 50% of American women, the majority of American women, this is what I read in this article, by the age of 50 will have experienced uterine fibroids. They're very common in my country, US. Well, we do want to get rid of them. We don't want to let them go. I'll tell you something. Acupuncture and Chinese herbology, especially herbology, is very, very good, very effective at getting rid of uterine fibroids. Yeah, the combination. So, I mean, if you have them, get rid of them. Same thing with any fibroids anywhere in the breast or anywhere. Get rid of them and use Chinese medicine to do that. But now you have to ask yourself, how did it get there, and what's going to prevent it from coming right back? Because if things don't change, they will come back. It will come back. Well, what this treatment does, this embolization, they do a very tiny incision, and then they inject chemicals into the tumor that starve it of blood. It blocks the blood flow, and it starves and shrinks and dies. So this gives you a clue as to how to prevent it from coming back. You starve it. First thing you want to do is get lean, because this is too much material. We call that excess yin. A tumor is excess material in the body. We don't need it. It's garbage material, along with fat cells and impacted fecal matter and cholesterol in the blood. Things like that. We don't need that stuff. So get lean. As you get lean, you will be starving excess material like benign tumors, like uterine fibroids. But second, in order to do that, you're probably going to have to stop worrying and hurrying, which is considered very normal in my culture. You're going to have to stop that, especially the worrying. So what women do is they get very nervous in that area of the body, very nervous, very frightened all the time, and they tighten up in a defensive posture. And so that tightness blocks the Wei Qi, the immune system, from attacking anything that gets going. So essentially, it also concentrates material in that tiny area. It's not good. You have to breathe in order to let that go. So you take 20 deep breaths. Anyway, this is all part of how I teach women to prevent uterine fibroids from coming back. Is to take breaths, do breath control, 10 breaths, 20 breaths every night, several times during the day, focusing on that area and relaxing it, bringing in cool oxygen, air, and then exhale and relax that area. So, and get lean. So there's my take on uterine fibroids. And that's all for today. Thanks for watching, amigos.